Hello, I'm Dr. Shruti H.S. Reddy, consultant hepatobiliary pancreatic and liver transplant surgeon. I also practice robotic hepatobiliary surgery. I am currently working in Manipal Hospitals, Bangalore, and based out of Manipal Old Airport Road. I will discuss about liver transplant today. Liver transplant is a procedure where the damaged organ of a person, a patient, is replaced with a healthy liver. Why does the liver suffer damage? There are multiple causes, the leading cause being fatty liver these days in India. But liver has a lot of potential to tolerate the damage. But sometimes the damage progresses beyond a level where this liver can regenerate and recover from the damage. This is when a condition called as liver failure will set in. And when liver starts failing, it being such a key organ of the body, and there is no replacement for the function, for the complex multiple functions that it carries. So the rest of the organs of the body will also start failing one after the other. Liver transplant is offered when there is no other alternative available. So we call this as end-stage liver disease. So it's not offered when there are suitable medical treatments available. It will always be an effort from the side of your doctor to treat the condition medically or without this liver transplantation procedure. But when the situation progresses to a level that the person's life will be at risk, the liver transplant procedure will be required. Liver transplant can be done either by taking organs from a brain dead person whose family has consented to donate the organs of their loved ones. This is called as deceased donor liver transplantation. Or since liver is the only organ in the body which has the capacity to regenerate, even a healthy person will be able to donate part of his liver, anywhere between 30% to 65-70%, depending on the need for the patient. We will be able to take a part of his or her liver like this and transplant it to the patient. The transplanted liver will regrow it to its fullest size, and the same thing will happen in the donor, where the size and the function of the liver will recover in a couple of months' time. So this is liver transplantation simplified. And after liver transplantation, there will be some requirements which will have to be followed in the form of following the prescribed immunosuppression regimen, taking the initial precautions, especially during the initial few months. But on the long run, liver transplant recipients will have the least requirement of immunosuppression and a near normal life, provided they take the precautions which are advised. Thank you.